Hello everyone! Cefalù, Sicily, October 16. I'm experiencing the hiking to the Rock of Cefalù, the beautiful mountain in Cefalù, Sicily. It's supposed to be 45 minutes. Let's see. It seems so bad. So far, it's pleasant, a pleasant walking. Joking apart, I'm only thinking about the prize. After this effort, I will swim in the beautiful sea in Cefalù. Those are the walls to protect the ancient religious point here in the Rock of Cefalù. These are the remains of the castle of Diana, a Greek ruin from the 5th century before Christ. So I reached the top and now I'm going down to reach the other part of the rock that faces the beautiful cathedral in Cefalù from above. And then finally I hope to swim. And this is the best view of the day. The view on the cathedral in Cefalù from above. Spectacular. So if you are touring Sicily and you have some days in Cefalù, as you know, Cefalù offers a lot of opportunities. You have the beautiful beach, you have the heritage, you can go shopping, and if you love hiking, you can take this very pleasant path to the rock. It was very, very nice. And now I go to swim. So feel free to contact us if you want us to help you plan a memorable private tour of Sicily. bestthingsToDoInSicily.com. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Bye bye!